Elements who divide the society for their own selfish interests should be boycotted, said Zahid Khan Wasi Baba on Ajmer Sharif issue. Ayodhya. There is anger among all the Sufis and the admirers of Khwaja Sahib, of the country and the world due to the incident of filing a case, calling Dargah Khwaja Garib Nawaz a temple. The leading organization of Sufis of the country, Sufi Khanka Association, has written a letter in this matter, and demanded the intervention of the President. A letter to this effect has been sent by Sufi Khanka Association National President Sufi Muhammad Kausar Hassan Majidi Advocate, to Her Excellency Madam President, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and the Governor of Rajasthan. In this regard, Sufi Khanka Association Uttar Pradesh Unit issued a statement. Sufi Khanka Association State Vice President Sufi Zahid Khan Wasi Baba said that India is a country of Sufi saints where for centuries spirituality and Sufism have been giving the message of peace and brotherhood to the whole world. Sufistic ideology and tradition has been in India for almost 1,000 years. The founder and elder of Silsila-e Madariya, Hazrat Sayyid Badiuddin Ahmad Zinda Shah Madar Ramatullah, the Peace and Harmony campaign that Ali started from Khambhat in Gujarat about 1,000 years ago, is being continuously run from Markaz-e-Ishq-o-Mohabbat-e-Insaniyat Bargah-e Hazrat Khwaja Garib Nawaz for the last 8.5 years. He said that the shrine of Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Ramatullah Ali has been the center of all humanitarians from Afghanistan to Indonesia, and the teachings of Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Hassan Chishti Sangri Ajmeri Baba Garib Nawaz Ramatullah Ali are the basis of Ganga Jamuni Tahzeeb. He said that it is regrettable that the civil suit filed by calling the tall building of the same foundation, Asthana Aliya Hazrat Sultanul Hind, a temple, has been claimed with the aim of spoiling the social fabric which has been giving the message of Hindu-Muslim brotherhood for centuries. He said that the elements dividing the society should be boycotted. He said that the Sufi Khanka Association strongly opposes this conspiracy and appeals to the Government of India to take action against such elements who are spoiling the communal atmosphere of the country. Sufi News English.
अजमेर शरीफ की दरगाह को लेकर जो मामले चल रहे हैं, इस तरीके की विचारधारा के लोगों ने आज पूरे हिंदुस्तान नहीं, विदेशों के भी लोगों को, जो ख्वाजा गरीब नवाज साहब की चौखट से आस्था रखते हैं, उनकी आस्था को ठेस पहुंचाई है। ऐसे विचारधारा के लोग ना ही किसी जाति धर्म के होते हैं और ना ही समाज के होते हैं, तो ऐसे लोगों का बहिष्कार भी कर देना चाहिए।